Crunches are a classic abdominal exercise that target the rectus abdominis, helping build core strength. To perform them correctly and avoid strain, follow these steps. 1. Starting position. Lie flat on your back on a comfortable, firm surface. A yoga mat works well. Bend your knees and plant your feet flat on the ground, about hip width apart. Lightly place your hands at the nape of your neck, with your elbows flared out to the sides. Do not pull on your neck. 2. Engage your core. Tighten your abdominal muscles as if bracing for a punch. This engagement helps protect your lower back and maximizes the effectiveness of the movement. Step 3. Perform the crunch. Exhale as you lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the ground in a controlled motion. Focus on curling your upper spine toward your knees, not just lifting your head. Keep your lower back on the floor, or avoid common mistakes. Neck strain. Don't yank your head forward with your hands. Your hands are there for support, not leverage. Elbows too far forward. Keep them open to avoid closing off the chest and overusing the neck. Momentum. Move slowly and deliberately to engage your abs, not your hip flexors. 5. Return to start. Inhale as you slowly lower back down to the ground with control. Don't collapse. Stay engaged even on the way down. So repetitions. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Focus on form, not speed or quantity. Check my next video.